Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making some lemon and coriander chicken kebabs. We're going to be cooking in the FireKing wood oven. So come on, let's cook.
First thing to make is our chicken marinade. So we've got half a cup of natural yogurt. To this we're going to add the juice of 2 lemons, 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper, 1 tablespoon of ground coriander, the zest of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste, or you could just use fresh garlic and fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and a handful of coriander finely chopped. Once it's all in the bowl, we'll give it a good old mix, and that's what we're looking for. So in another bowl I've got 5 chicken thighs, boned and skinless. We're going to add our marinade, get the hand in, give it a good old mix again. Make sure it's all fully covered, and now you can put this in the fridge for at least 2 hours. I like to use these double pronged skewers. Just going to lay the chicken thighs down, thread them onto the skewers, just keep on threading away until we've got them all on. So that's all 4, and now we're ready to put in our wood fired oven. So this is my setup for the wood fired oven. We've got the coals burning in the middle. I've got 2 fire bricks. We're going to place 1 at the back, 1 at the front. This gives us somewhere now to rest these kebab skewers on. So in with the kebab skewers, as you can see, just lay them on top of the fire bricks. And we can let these cook away. Someone once asked me, can you cook kebabs in a wood fired oven? And I said yes. I showed them this method, so I thought, wow, why not? Let's go on and cook some chicken kebabs. They're just starting to take on a char on this side. These have had about 5 minutes on this side. They just start to take on a bit of a char colour, so we'll give them a good turn. If you'd like to become a Dutch crew member, it's free. All you've got to do is hit that subscribe button below. After about another 5 minutes, these are ready to remove. Look at the colour on that chicken. Now, we're going to remove the bricks. We're going to scoop our hot coals over to one side. Give these tiles a good brush down. Make sure there's no dust or embers left on these. And all we've got is a store-bought garlic and coriander naan bread. We're just going to warm this through. This will take 1 minute only. So there we have it, garlic and coriander naan bread ready. It's time to get this kebab ready. So all we're going to do is drop some mixed leaves down. We've got some chopped tomato, chopped red onion, we've got our chicken that I've just cut across on the slice. Just layer that onto the naan bread. That's all our chicken on now. And now we're going to add some sauce. It's Dutch's yogurt and mint sauce. I'll put a link up above. That is Dutch's Kebab Shop chili sauce. Garnish with a couple of slices of lemon.
There we have it, that's Dutch's lemon and coriander kebab cooked in a wood-fired oven. Time to have a taste. That chicken is moist. Really packs a punch with that lemon flavour. Can't taste much of the coriander, but the lemon is certainly a kick.
The card here on the left was chosen especially for you.